Hey guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our project on Daisy Avenue. A few first-time watchers, what this was subterranean garages. You can see the retaining wall that we had to put up, but there used to be a driveway entrance there that came all the way down and then went down into these used to be two-car garages. Now we have this awesome patio area here, and we have two ADUs. I'm gonna walk you through one of them here. We do still got to do some cleaning, but this is a little bitty studio ADU here at our project in Daisy Avenue in Long Beach. So we have one studio here, one studio there, a nice small kitchenette, refrigerator, stove, hood, little sink area, not much of a kitchen. And then we have, let me get you in here to the bathroom, turn on some lights for you. You can see me there. Hey guys, nice vanity and a full-size shower bath combo. So it's emulated on the other side. So two studio ADUs, mini split head there, has its own heating and air conditioning. And this one is just about ready to go. We're here to do some inspections, trying to get our final for this one, and hope all goes well. So guys, any questions for you investors about doing conversions on any of your garages at your multi-tenant properties, please DM us at the link below, or give us a call at 800-929-9812, and myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. DJ, the ADU Pro.